Hi, I'm Angel. I'm related to the girl that burps on YouTube. I guess, yeah. So, I've never seen one of her videos, and, oh, okay, yeah. I've never seen any of her videos, because I think it's really disgusting, but I guess I'll give it a try. I don't know. But, yeah, if you want her as your friend on Facebook, then just ask me. Except for my name's just search Angel Nelson, and you'll get a picture of a girl with her bang in the blue shirt with her bangs going like that. That's me. Yeah. Oh, hold on. I don't know. I guess. So, like, I don't know. Whatever. I have no idea. Never mind. So, like, well, I don't know what her videos are called. Whatever and stuff. Hold on. November! 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 Come here really fast. Hey, what's one of your videos called? Burping with root beer. Burping with root beer? Okay. Wait, don't leave. Your fans want to see you. Just go, it's like... I tried, I don't know what it's called. Root beer. Oh, that's too much cheese. Okay. Here it is. Yes, my mom told me to stop burping on camera. Okay then.
YouTube, what up, people? Come on. I gotta make another burping video. Now, I'm not the type of person who shows my favorite.
Really?
I don't have a lot of time.
What?
9:17 when I'm making this video. Nope, it's 9:28. 9:18. See?
Okay then. I was proving to them that I don't edit this. Let's find some more.
This is root beer.
Ew.
I drink either water or...
You sound weird. So do I. So, you've made videos.
Hey YouTube viewers, it's November. I was looking at one of my videos, me dancing, and I thought it was fun. I thought I actually remembered I did have fun.
See,
I'm going to dance again to Girlfriend.
I don't want to. It's like,
and I hope you
it's
like
not anything bad really.
But before I start, I want to send a tribute to Shane Dawson. Because to me, Shane Dawson is kind of hot. And my uncle is being a queer. You positive? Oh, you positive you're not stupid? I'm going to get him again someday. Alright, like I said.
Yeah, someday. Okay. Oh, I've seen this one. Oh my god. Why'd you make an identity one?
YouTube viewers, I don't know. That's because I didn't know my first name's November.
Oh, I remember you doing this one.
My last name yet, but my last name's Nelson. I want you to think carefully of all the books you read. Sure, but still think it's right there in class. I want you to think about all the books
Wow.
you read. Think hard. Think
Okay
about
then.
authors you read. Think about, I don't know, Sharon and Draper.
That sounds stupid.
Have you ever read any of their books called November Blues? Well, I am. I'm reading right now. I'm almost done. And my name is right there in the cover. I am mad, but I was up. Well, I don't. To tell you the truth, I heard of the book before. I mean, I was like, oh, my name's on the...
Okay then.
If we gotta sign out.
No, I'm gonna go back on there. Whatever. Yeah, I'm with her right now. We're not friends. We're sisters, I guess.
No, we're friends. We call each other sisters.
No, we're not
I'm
that
just
close. Yeah.
Am I done here?
Say hi again.
Hi. She put me in this video to make it better.
No, actually, shut up. Get out. Go. We're done.
She knows it's true.
Oh my God! Shut up. For real.
Shut down. Go. You're about to.
Really? Okay. We can make funny videos, listen to a song that's kind of related to me, unless you can, I don't know. Yeah. So just like tell me what to do. I don't know. Why am I people confusing? Okay. So comment down here. I don't know. Of a song you want me to play at the ending. Maybe yours will be the winner, I guess. Hopefully I'm not grounded, because I'm like always grounded for November. What November does. Okay. Bye. Why? It's a funny face. I have to do a funny face. No, not that one. That. Or that. No. 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 Yes. With the cute doggy at the end. Ooh. Stop.